Hey, what's up? Today I'm gonna teach you on how to recover your TikTok account without email and phone number now. Let's begin. Okay, let's try to log in my account first. Here it says incorrect password and I can't reset it because I don't have access to my email and phone number anymore. So what you're going to do is just follow these steps to recover your TikTok account. The first step is to create a new account. After you create a new TikTok account, click the button on the upper right corner. Here, scroll down and go to Report a Problem. Go to Feed, Search, Share, and select Feed. Here, go to Other, and then click on Still Have Problem.